Did you know that in 2024, the European Union imported around 30% of its jet fuel demand? And it's just one of the many insights you will find in the new FuelsEurope Statistical Report 2026. Published each year, this report brings together robust, independent, and reliable data to help make sense of today's energy landscape. It gives a clear overview of the fuel manufacturing sectors with more than 60 graphs on taxation, prices and margin, oil product demand and international trade flows, but also global energy markets and the industry's environmental performance. This year's edition introduces new perspective. We have now a graph on carbon pricing across regions and new updated figures on refinery product demand and allocation. It also shows the instability the sector continues to face, from geopolitical tension and shifting demand to the growing impact of climate policies, and highlights its central role in energy security and the transition to a lower carbon economy. Whether you're a policymaker, an analyst, or an industry stakeholder, the FuelsEurope Statistical Report 2026 is your go-to reference for understanding the sector. Have a look now!